Let's see how the homing cycle works. You can see I have placed few switches. This is a Z switch. As you can see, this is a very simple switch, and similar switch are there in X-axis and also in Y-axis. So let's see how the homing action works. So first the Gerbil, I'm issuing the homing command now. If you see, the Z-axis is moving and then it touches the switch. Now both the axes X and Y moves together. So this is the homing position for my CNC machine, and everything is exactly the homing position starts from every time I home, the end mill will be pointing to this location on my machine. Thanks for watching.